Friends, right now, hydraulic press videos are going insanely viral on the internet. People are creating these simple types of videos and uploading them on their channels, and they're getting a really strong response. You can check out this channel yourself. With just around 1,200 videos, they've gained over 10 million subscribers, and almost every video on their channel gets millions of views. So it's clear that this type of content is in very high demand right now. If you also want to create videos like this, then in this video, I'm going to explain the complete process step by step. So watch the video carefully because every step is important. Let's get started. So to create these types of videos, first you have to open ChatGPT, then you have to paste this master prompt into the chat box. You will find this prompt in the description box. Then whatever object you want to crush under the hydraulic press, you can write it here. For example, I am writing car. You can write anything you want. Then here you have to write the material of your object. I want my car to be made of plastic, so I will write plastic here. You can also write your preferred material. Then simply press enter. As soon as you press enter, you will get both image and video prompts generated. Then our next step is to generate images. So for image generation, we will use Gemini. So we will open Gemini. Then we will copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT. Then in Gemini, we will select the Create Image option, paste the prompt here, and simply press enter. Within a few moments, it will generate our image. As you can see, our first image has been successfully generated. As soon as the image is generated, you have to download it. Now generate all the images by following the same process. I will generate the remaining images using the same steps. Now all our images are ready. So now our next step is to animate the images. For image animation, we will use Flow AI. You have to open your Chrome browser, search for Google Flow, then open the first link, then an interface like this will appear. You have to click on New Project. Then the Google Flow dashboard will open. First, you need to select frames to video and make sure the image ratio is 9:16. Then click on the Start button and upload the first image. Then click on the End button and upload the second image. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, paste it here, and press enter. It will take a little time and it will animate your image. So now you can see the image has been successfully animated and the result is very good. Exactly how I wanted, perfectly done. So I will click on the three dots here and download it. If you are understanding every step of the video and finding it helpful, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. Then repeat the same process and animate all the images. I will animate all the images here. So now all my images have been animated. Now the last step is editing. So for editing, you have to open your favorite editor. I am using CapCut here. So simply click on the import button, add all the clips, then arrange the clips in sequence. And if you want to cut or trim any part, you can do it according to your preference. So our video is now successfully complete. And this is how the final result looks. Let me know in the comments which niche you want the next tutorial on. And if you want me to keep bringing videos like this, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.